We'd like to share a quick video that shows removal of a popular competitor gutter system, leaf filter, and why this homeowner chose not to replace it again with leaf filter, but instead opted for the true maintenance-free solution of K-Guard. You've seen the TV commercials. Leaf Filter is selling this product as a lifetime solution for gutter-free maintenance. However, you can easily see how it is warping, coming apart, and how the seams compromise durability and the overall aesthetic. The leaf filter product is one that K-Guard dealers are constantly taking off homes. You can see Frank removing the leaf filter gutter protection. The product installation is not very secure, as it is only mounted to the top of the gutter by small 3/8 to 1/2 inch screws on the front. Once it is removed, we tap check the fascia to make sure that there is no wood rot. This homeowner added drip edge protection after they installed leaf filter, so they were proactive. But 9 times out of 10, we find problems with wood rot. Next, we will remove the downspouts and begin installation of the K-Guard leaf-free system. One thing to note is how our installers take down sections that are small enough to handle rather than risk having it fall and cause damage. Here's a quick close-up of how they backflashed it as well, which, if you look closely, is not particularly good. So now the K-Guard is ready to install, the guys are going to mount it every 2 feet by ABS brackets. It is guaranteed for life and is made from 0.032-inch aluminum. Once we get it all set, we can mount it behind the pitch to make sure water will never get behind the drip edge and cause wood rot. Then we will get a temporary tack in and make sure that we're far enough past the shingles on both ends. Finally, we level it off. Maintaining a 1/4-inch slope for every 20 feet ensures the water is moving towards the downspouts. Once all the screws are in, we secure the hood, snap it in, and then screw it down to each end. The K-Guard gutter system will never sag and never come apart at the seams because there are no seams. Before considering leaf filter, understand that it is not a maintenance-free option, and the inferior design may have you seeking new gutter replacement after only a few years. Thanks for watching.